able to fly. Oh no. Whee! Woohoo! Aw, I'll never be able to fly. Huh? What's going on? Blacky Birch! What's wrong? We still love you so much. But why are you sad? Well, it's because I want to fly like you, but I can't fly. Don't worry, we will help you. That's it. First, in order for you to fly, you have to flap your wings. Huh? What do you mean flap my wings? No, I didn't make it. Okay. You will now learn to fly. I'm scared. Don't worry. From now on, you will no longer be afraid. Okay, I can do it. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, and now! Wow, I feel like I'm not afraid anymore. Now only you. Uh-oh. Wow! Now I can fly! Yeah! I got to fly! Yay! Now I can fly, really fly. Really fly. Woohoo! Do you have a bird that can't fly yet? Do you? Teach it to fly. Yeah, teach it. Because they taught me. Hooray!